Jason, can you apply for the new Bilt credit card? Yeah, there you go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to do a tutorial on how to use the Bilt MasterCard to do an ACH payment for your rent. So previously, about over a year ago, I posted a Bilt video and you guys loved it. In that video, I showed you guys step by step how you can use this MasterCard to send a paper check to your landlord in order to get 1x per point. And now with the new ACH feature, which has been out for a while, I just haven't got a chance to film it, can make it even easier. So for me, my landlord uses the ClickPay system. In this video, I will show you guys exactly how I'm about to pay my own rent using the ACH feature. Before I get into it, I just want to mention that Bilt recently announced that you can actually start paying your mortgage payments using Bilt and still getting the 1x benefit. So that's really, really exciting because previously only renters are able to do that, but now homeowners, you can actually follow this exact same tutorial I'm showing you guys here today. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. All right, guys, so there are two steps when it comes to using ACH. Step one is you want to go to your Bilt app, and I'm gonna turn on the screen recording here so you guys can see it very clearly. Okay, so I'm on the Bilt app, and the first thing you want to go is you want to click on the Pay Rent tab, and then first you want to enter your home address. I already have it entered. And then the second steps is you want to select your payment method. So right now, the default payment method is my new Wells Fargo Bilt credit card. And one thing you want to do is you want to make sure you turn on something called the BiltProtect. So if you click on this three-dotted thing, the BiltProtect debit is essentially allows you to make a payment without using your credit limit by pulling the full payment directly from a linked bank account. So kind of like a debit card. So even if you're under, let's say if your credit limit on your Bilt credit card is $5,000, but then your rent is more than $5,000, you can still, as long as you turn on the BiltProtect, you can still using Bilt to pay for your rent and get 1x point. So yeah, it's really cool. I would definitely highly recommend you guys to turn it on because not only that you can exceed your credit limit, but most importantly, it will not increase your credit utilization, which is a key factor when it comes to getting a really high credit score. So previously, I didn't have this feature turned on, and obviously rent is a big payment every month. It does affect my credit score for quite a bit, and when I paid off the rent, it will go back up again. So turn on this BiltProtect debit feature will just eliminate that problem. All right, so once you have that, you want to scroll to step 2. That's where you select how you want to pay your rent. So as I said, previously we've done pay rent by check. So you can go back to that original video of mine. If your landlord only accepts paper check, I will put a link up here, also inside the description. But what this video is really about is in my opinion, the easiest way, the fire and forget way. As long as you've set it up automatically every month, you don't have to worry about it moving forward. So let's come back to the pay rent online option. Here, it will automatically generate two numbers. The first number is the routing number, and then the second number is the account number. So think about this almost like your bank ACH or bank debit. Whenever you're trying to pay your rent through your landlord's online portal, they ask you, most of the time they will charge you for a fee if you pay credit card directly, but then a fee free if you pay something called the ACH, which requires your routing number and your account number to be entered into the system. So once you have these two numbers, I'm gonna pull up my laptop right here and show you guys how to set it up. Okay guys, before I move to the next step, if you liked this video so far, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please use my referral link down in the below. I'm almost at 5 referrals, so that will get me the 10K milestone. I would really appreciate that because that will really support the channel. So let's move on to the online payment system. For demonstration purposes, I'll use ClickPay, but feel free to apply the same method to your property management system. So press on login. That's when I enter my information. Okay. And I've already set it up, but just to show you guys again how to do it, you want to go to autopay and then click on edit and choose send payments from. So now I have two payments. One was my original ACH directly from my bank, but the second one, Bilt, is what I added recently. So if you don't have the Bilt added on your autopay yet, you can click on add a new option and then make sure you choose the second option, add a new bank account. Because if you choose the first option, let me just pull, I just want to show you guys how much the fee is. Hold on. Oh, fee chart. Okay, there you go. So see, ACH is free, but if you pay a Visa, it's 138 flat fee. MasterCard is 3.25, same as Amex, Discover, so on and so forth. And similar with all these prepaid and debit card. Obviously, this fee chart varies provider by provider. So make sure you are not choosing, when you look at the auto pay feature, make sure you're not choosing the credit card, but instead you want to choose add a new bank account, aka the ACH. Here is when you enter the routing number you get from your Bilt app, as well as the account number you get from your Bilt app. The bank name would just automatically fill up. You have to obviously re-enter your account number, make sure they match, and select account type, which would be checking, and make sure to click on using your, make this a preferred payment method. Let me know if you're able to set this up successfully. I pretty much don't worry about it once I have it up and just let the automated payment does its magic. I also want to share some other additional benefits from Bilt that I have recently discovered. As I've said, I haven't been posting on this quite for a while, but I'm just so amazed at how much change Bilt has brought into this credit card ecosystem in the past few years. And every month, you're seeing these partners that have joined Bilt. And as of today, I think Bilt has the widest network of transfer partners, outbeating Chase and outbeating Amex as well, which is super hard to do, but also super exciting as a emerging Gen Z. I'm calling it like, it's not really a credit card company. It's more like a, it's trying to help you set up a financial system that can handle all of your financial tasks in one-stop shop. Reason why I said that, because I recently saw that you can link your Walgreens card with your Bilt to get extra point. But in addition to that, you can link it with your FSA and HSA to pay it automatically. So that's really cool. Obviously, it continues to have the monthly rent day feature where you participate in a really cool challenge and enter. Usually you get some bonus points, but in addition to that, you get entered into a lottery to earn 1 month of free rent. One other cool feature I like about Bilt is, as you guys know, points are not like stocks or investments. Points are mostly known as a depreciation assets, right? Over time, it just gets more expensive to use points to redeem the same hotels or flights, etc., because of inflation. But what's cool about Bilt is that you can actually earn interest every month based on the balance of your account. So on my account, if you guys can see, right, it's not a lot because I don't have a big balance. But in November, I just want to show you guys, I got a 29 point interest. The 10K, the manual deposit, it's from moving myself to the new Wells Fargo system instead of the old system. They also have different elite statuses. So I'm on the gold tier. But with gold tier, you get like different milestone benefits. So you can, by the end of the year, you can actually claim some milestone benefits, which are double points on neighborhood dining, 2x on grocery, gas station next 30 days, 1,000 points for Bilt Collection. I actually chose the 1,000 points for Bilt Collection because they do, when it comes to Bilt Collection, they do have sometimes really cool things that you can shop for. So like now they have this holiday red themed collection you can redeem or directly purchase. I actually really like this travertine candlestick. I'm really digging these like natural materials and like minimalist style because that's what I try to interior my home as. Yeah, I hope you guys find this helpful. If you have any questions about this tutorial or about Bilt in general, make sure you leave me a comment. I'll try to get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.